Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to check who blocked you on Instagram. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. To show you, I'm searching for my other account. As you can see, I'm able to view posts and other features, which means I haven't been blocked yet. Then go back and open your DMs. I'm searching for my other account. Here, tap on View Profile. As you can see, I'm still able to view their profile. Now go back and go to your profile. Now I'm going to open my other account. After that, I'll search for my previous account. Here, tap on three dots on your top right corner. Now tap on Block. Here, tap on Block. As you can see, our current account has been blocked. Now I'm going to open my previous account. Now I'm searching for the account that I previously blocked. As you can see, I'm not able to view posts and other features. I opened that account again, but still I can't see any post or other features. This means that I'm blocked. Now I'm going to open DMs. Search for that account. I can't find the option to view the profile of that user, which could mean that I'm blocked. This is how you can check who blocked you on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.